So you want to round all the images on all of your blog posts on Squarespace. Well, luckily, this doesn't require you to go back through every single blog post and make them round. What I'm going to show you is the easiest way that I found to round every single image without any manual input. So I just want to show you this in action on my own site. You can see that we've got rounded images in here. I think that's the only one in that one, but I'll show you another one to prove it's not a fluke. So you can see we've got the rounded images in there and there. And then obviously everything else is rounded, but that is the images. So if we go into, I've got a blog post or a blog collection up here, and I want to make, let's see if these have got images in. Yeah, I want to make this rounded. If I've got 200 blog posts, then I would have to go in manually, double click, go into design, and give this a border radius. But that is so arduous. So all you need to do is click in the cog in your blog, Poet and I Didn't Know It, and then advanced, and then post blog item code injection. That was a mouthful. Wow. Then we're going to go style, open up these, and then image brackets. And then we're going to put in there border radius, and we'll say 20px. If I hit save, you'll see now the image is rounded. If we do the success story, that's rounded. We'll look at this success story, it's rounded. And how to manage a business as a working from home mother, rounded as well. So if I go into the editor, you'll see in design, there's no corner radius applied whatsoever. So this is overridden by our code that makes it really easy to just dump in your images and you know that they're just formatted, good to go on every single post. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.